Bullish Avalanche Avax cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $180.50 and $340.94 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $140.39 by 2025. Negative Avalanche market cost expectation for 2023 is $32.9. Avalanche Avax presentation. Avalanche was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 500 exchanges each second makes it a practical contender to Ethereum. Avalanche was established by 3 PhD, moves on from Cornell College. The Avalanche convention depends in research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche Avax? Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to remove Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements. While keeping up with versatility, it means to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 500 exchanges each second. Avalanche Avax key examination. Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, productive, and available to everybody. The Avalanche network is based on 3 support points: security, solidness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been exceptionally effective in drawing in clients and engineers. Truth be told, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its brilliant agreements. There are a few justifications for why Avalanche could be a wise venture. To begin with, the group behind the task is exceptionally capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, Avalanche major areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Unified Byzantine Understanding FBA. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work POW and verification of stake pass. Avalanche likewise has a one-of-a-kind component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains since every hub isn't restricted by the principles of the whole organization. Avalanche Avax current cost. Avalanche is right now worth $40.11 est. Avax has moved 272% as of now with an exchanging volume of $543.48.32. Avalanche is right now position 9 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $14,842,360,440 SD. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Avalanche Avax to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2023. Avalanche, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Avax. The Avax cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $60.17. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $56.16 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $48.13. Avalanche Avax value forecast 2024. In 2024, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform 128. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Avax's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $140.39 and Avax might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $128.35 and a low of $120.33 in 2025. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Avalanche effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $180.50 with a base cost of $160.44 and a typical cost of $168.47. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2027. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2028. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2029. While Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $280.78 and a yearly cost close above $383 in 2029. By 2030, Avalanche will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $320.89 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $340.94, averaging out at $328.91. By and large, Avalanche appears to be an extremely encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, as a general rule, Avax could be a decent choice for you. Today, Avalanche Avax is exchanging at $40.11 with a complete market capitalization of $14,842,360,440. Is Avalanche a wise speculation? Avalanche ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Avax is a decent decision of speculation. The typical cost of Avalanche Avax might potentially reach $56.16 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Avalanche might outperform $260.72. What amount will Avalanche be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of digital currency and Avalanche, a drawn-out interest in Avax could see the value ascend to $260.72 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Avalanche be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Avalanche today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Avax might actually ascend to $509.41 inside the following 10 years. What will the Avalanche cost be in 2024? Avalanche Avax cost is supposed to reach $128 by 2024. Avalanche Avax cost is supposed to reach $140.39 by 2025. What will the Avalanche cost be in 2026? Avalanche Avax cost is supposed to reach $100.